Hello people, welcome back into this channel. Today we will learn how we can remove the emoji from a picture only with your iPhone. You don't need any other application, just your photo library on your iPhone. Open your iPhone right away and please just open this photo library and find out the picture containing emoji that you have. So here is the picture and I've got this emoji on the forehead. So the thing that you have to do is just go tap into the picture, and now we just need to go click edit on the top side here, and now you just need to go click into this pencils button right here, and now there will be like this option, tap into this plus button and go click add shapes. Now click the circles since the emoji is a circles. Now we just need to adjust the color first. Tap into this part and go click this color picker tools, and then just need to drag into the area that nearest with the emoji, the closest area with the emoji. Right after you got it, just go click X. Now adjusting the size of this shape that you have. Now you just need to drag it so that will be like covered in the top side of the emoji that you have here. The next thing you need to do is just go tap in the down, and you are already perfectly hide it. Now here's the result. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.